Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a town or city where you would like to live in the future.
I would like to live in Jeddah, that's located in King Saudi Arabia. I have been lived there since I was 2 years old. It's my hometown in the past. It's famous for the holy place, Makkah, and secondly, Red Sea. It's a really beautiful place to visit. I would like to live there in the future as number one, personally, it was my hometown. Number two, secondly, now women have more opportunities there. They can drive their own. They are independent as compared to past. They can earn by their own selves. They can make their own future, and
All right, thank you. Now see, by the time you don't speak for 10-20 seconds, examiner will not say anything, and then they will move on to part 3. And you will be penalized badly, means your band score will go down badly. That is why prepare your ideas very well. Now what happened in your case, you spoke for only 51 seconds, and after that you stopped. So examiner will not wait for you. After 5-10 seconds of silence, they will move on to the next part. Okay. Anyways, we've got grammatical mistakes, but first of all, you need to build your spoken English muscle to speak for at least 1.5 minutes. You stopped before a minute. Then you said, I have been lived there. Jeddah, you are talking about that. So you should have said, I have been living there since my childhood. Then you said, women can drive their own. They can drive on their own. On was missing, preposition. And then throughout your 1 minute talk, you took several pauses. So you need to focus fluency as well. I mean, I want you to practice all these topics time and again, and then you'll become fluent at them. Now, we move on to speaking part 3. Why do more and more people live in the city?
as compared to village.
I didn't say that.
All right.
Okay, why do more and more people live in the village, in the city?
People prefer to live in city as we have more opportunities there. A person who lives in a city, he can earn more financially. He can make himself or herself strong, and once he is strong or she is strong financially, they can support their family members.
All right, thank you. Your language is good. You need practice, a lot of practice, and you need to come out of this confusion also.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.